Hello everyone and welcome to Exciting Play channel. So the last time we have created this number guess engine. So last time we have yeah, after creating this whole project, I have noticed some you can say discrepancies in this project, and that is there is no such input, or you can say the menu that says if you type the level -1, you get to exit. So maybe for that we need to type something here. So we are going to actually improve this code in this lecture. We can do this something like exit to make things consistent. I'm putting this much spaces in that. So for now, let's try to run this. If I put to -1, thank you for playing with us. So right now it's working quite well with us. Now, maybe for improvement, we can do one thing, and that is you can say multiple run can be implemented this time. And for that, maybe we need to do one more thing. And also, there is one more thing that I seem to, you can say, ignore or you can say miss the last time, and that is where was that? Yeah, here. So as you can see, this statement. So this is just like you can say a random thing that is not getting executed. So maybe we can just remove that and the code will still run fine. So these are the things that I have seen that we need to you can say remove or add. And the other things, mm, there must be something more clear. Like as you can see, the our output is actually the actual number is this. But here it should also return something like your exit, what is this, exit number, or you can say you have exhausted your attempts. So for that, I have written the statement actually. So let me just paste that here. So, so here you can see this is actually saying if you run out of attempts, and it is saying that this is working just fine. Or maybe we should also give user some kind of anxiety, like you are on X attempt out of 5 attempts. So which can be written in something like here in the loop execution at the start. Now, as you can see, the one is actually indicate us that how many attempts are left. Now, if I try to execute that, first of all, let me just clear this. Now, execute it again. So as you can see, it is printing this. Now, if I want to just do 0, attempt 105, 3. Oh, that's the luck we have actually. We got the right number at the first thing. Okay, but here is one thing. We are actually getting this error message still, which is not right, which is not quite correct. But what should we do? We can just put here, just put it inside the loop in something like maybe if I Or maybe where should I put that? You have exhausted this, you say, exhausted this attempt. I don't think where should I put it to put that and to put it actually. So maybe we don't need to say something like this. We can just ignore that for now. So these are the things actually that I found, in this code. Now, for the code to work in the repetitive manner, we have to implement many things, such as implementing while loop in this code. And every time the user is asking something like how many times you want to play, or maybe we can just type a variable. So we are going to try that after we covered some basic, you can say basics project, and the improvement video on these projects can be done later on. And for now, I'm just going to be like just going to create something like this one run code, and that's all. And thank you for watching us. Please share your comments on how I can improve this code further.